Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a two-model unboxing of the Herpa 1:500 scale Emirates 777, the Orange Expo 2020 livery, and then the Green Expo 2020 livery. They are both 1:500 scale Herpa. I did originally order 4 models, but one of them was a pre-order, the new United 737 and Star Alliance livery by NG Models. So once that comes, I'll do an unboxing, and also please stay until the end, because on the end I will show you the model that we unbox in the second part, the third model, because 3 models came yesterday. So these are the 2 that we are unboxing in this part, and then in the second part we are unboxing the third model. So this is a 3-plane unboxing in 2 parts. Okay, but before I start, please like and subscribe. And there we go, let's begin now. So first I will open them, and then I will go into the detail of both of them, and then I will rate them. So this is the first one. If you will be asking me, where I get my models from, I get them from Aircraft Model Store, a great company I highly recommend. Sometimes I do buy them off eBay, but that's only occasional. So yeah, so if you would be asking me for any of my models, they are from Aircraft Model Store. That's the first one, and now the second one. The box is kind of nice, to be honest. The box is okay. It comes with a stand. I didn't even know that. It won't let me. And there's the Green Expo 2020 livery. So when I have a chance, I will also buy the Blue Expo 2020 livery, so that I have all 3 of them. But for now, we will have to go with these 2. So there we go, there they are. Let's go into the detail with the orange one first. In fact, yeah, we'll go into the detail of the orange one first. Okay, so this is how far it will let me zoom in, I think. I have to hold it. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so on the front there we have the... I'll zoom it in a bit more. Ah, there we go, that's good now. Right, so on the front there we have the cockpit windows, then the nose, then it says Boeing 777-300ER, then the nose gear. Then we have the L1 boarding door, then the Expo logo, and then it says Expo 2020 Dubai UAE. The second boarding door, then it says official premier partner. Then here we have the middle of the airplane, we have the Wi-Fi box, then the bubbles, I would say, the orange bubbles. Then on the engine, Expo 2020, the main landing gear there, the wing, and this is the emergency exit. Then we have more windows, some doors, and then the back boarding door there. And the registration on this is Alpha 6 Echo Charlie Delta, and then the UAE flag on the tail there. On this side it's the same, really. So that's this model, and now let's go into the detail with this model. So again, we have the cockpit windows, then the nose, the front gear. Sorry. Now it's focused. Then we have the Expo logo again, Expo 2020 Dubai UAE, official premier partner, and then it says underneath. Let it focus. Yeah, you can see it here now, official premier partner. And we have the bubbles again, the green bubbles. We have the Wi-Fi box, Expo 2020, the main landing gear. Then registration on this is Alpha 6 Echo November Bravo, and then the UAE flag on the tail there. And then on this side, it's the same. So now I will rate them models. So as if you don't know how I rate my models, I do it by 5 things: the mold, the box, the gear, the detail, and finally the painting, so the livery. Okay, let's start off with the boxes. So we'll put models off to the side for a minute. So the boxes are both, we'll start with the orange one. So the box is fairly simple. It's Boeing 777-300ER, then it's K1-500 Emirates logo there. Emirates official store, Expo 2020. On this side it's the same. Then on the back we have the specifications and all the info if you want to pause and read. And then on this side it's the same. So box is fairly simple design, however it is nicely designed. I like this shade of orange they used. It's kind of more gold than orange. But I will give it a 6 out of 10 because it's fairly simple. It's nothing special really. So 6 out of 10 for this one. Then we will do it. Then we will go on to the mold next. So the mold is very nicely done. The 777. Herpa did an amazing job on it. Everything is correct size. The nose gear is good. I like all the detail on it and stuff, so we will give it an 8.5 out of 10. It deserves this model. Then we'll go on to the livery. Livery is done amazing. We have all the right detail, official premier partner titles and everything. Especially this and the engines are done amazing. And then the UAE flag on the tail is done beautifully as well. So it's a 9 out of 10 for the painting. No issues there. Then the detail is next. Well, detail is lacking. However, it is a 1-500 model, so you can't expect too much detail. On 1-400 you would get antennas, but on this one you don't. However, you do get the Wi-Fi box there, and engines are fairly detailed. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And then finally the gear. The gear is good. It rolls. Yeah, it rolls. It's plastic though, because all 1-500 have it plastic. You can see Emirates on the underbelly there. It doesn't have the door like the 777's do, like certain models do, like, you know, the door, the detail, and then here you do have it. But the gear overall, I would say it is good. So I will give it a 8 out of 10 for the gear. So total for this model, we've had mold 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. We've had painting 9 out of 10, detail 7 out of 10, and then we've had box 6 out of 10, and gear was an 8 out of 10, which adds to a total of 38.5 out of 50, which gives this model a rating of 8 out of 10, which is good for 1-500 scale. Now the 1-400, well, guess what? I gave it the same rating. They are both similar models. They are both 777's and Herpa 1-500. So they both deserve the same rating. They are done in the same way. There's no issues with the painting at all. They are both very nice models, so I recommend you buy them. So they are both 8 out of 10 rating, which is good. So yeah, this concludes this video. However, before I go, I wanted to tell you the third model and also my opinion on them. So my personal opinion is they are good. The nose gear could be a little bit better done. Let it focus. There we go. So it's like this thing. I don't like it. And detail is fair bit on it. The engines are too black. You can't really see the fan blades inside. But overall, the liveries are done nicely. So that's my opinion. So 8 out of 10, it is a good rating for those models. So we'll put them off to the side now, and we'll show you the model that we are unboxing in the second part. So this is the model. This is the American Airlines 747-800 in the flagship Liberty livery by NG models in 1:400 scale. I can't wait to unbox it. It looked so great on the photos. It is NG models. This was a July 2019 release, so almost a year ago. So yeah, this is the model that we are unboxing in the part 2. So bye bye for now, and I see you back in the part